All right, Honors Algebra 2. Here is one of the first videos for your Section 7477 game plan. All right, so you got your first game plan, has 2 videos up online. You got that first quiz review video ready. Here is another video. Here's your video for your second game plan you have in your possession. All right, you need to make sure you watch that video with helpful notes on the properties of log, the college algebra notes video there for properties of log functions. If you haven't, watch it first. Okay, this first one, solving log equations, was actually in your last game plan. Really nice review. Again, that means 6 to the 3 halves equals x. Take the square root of 6, raise it to the 3rd power, 216. Okay, that's Yogi making noise. 16 to the 5 over 2 equals x. Take the second root, or the square root of 16, that's 4. 4 to the 5th is 1024. So I'm getting my answer. All right, 4 and 5 are a little bit challenging. So log base 2 of blank equals log base 2 of blank. The blanks must equal each other. You set x squared minus 4 equal to 3x. Only way to solve it is by factoring. What multiplies to 4 differs by 3. Negative 4 and 1. Get x equals 4, x equals negative 1. But you got to plug this in to one of those 2 original logarithmic expressions. I'm going to plug 4 in there. 4 times 3 is 12. You can have log base 2 of 12. That gives you a valid answer. Plug negative 1 in. I get log base 2 of negative 3. That is undefined. So 4 is my only true solution. Those are the hardest ones we have by far. Take your time with this. I mean, your goal here is to learn while watching video. I mean, it's difficult. It's not what I would have wanted to do, but it's going to give you good prep for what might happen in college. A lot. Log base 3 of blank equals log base 3 of blank. That means x squared minus 15 must equal 2x. Move the 2x over. Got to solve by factoring again. What multiplies to 15 differs by 2. Negative 5 and 3 means x equals 5. X equals negative 3. Plug in time. Wherever you want. You can plug it in there. You can plug it in here. 2 times 5 gives you 10. You can have log base 3 of 10. That's a good answer. Negative 3. Plug negative 3 in. You can't have log base 3 of negative 6. That's undefined. So x equals 5. It's my one true solution. Then they get a little bit easier. Again, you can do this one. That's 4 to the 3rd equals x. 2 to the 4th equals x. 3 to the 4th equals x. Again, going from logarithmic to exponential form is essential. You guys can do 9. 16 to the 3/4 equals x. The 4th root of 16 is 2. 2 to the 3rd is 8. 25 to the 5 over 2 equals x. The second root, the square root of 25 is 5. 5 to the 5th. I did this one old school. I believe it's 1025. I have a calculator finally right next to me. Yeah, 3125. 3125. All right, good page there. Again, take it your time. We literally did this one on a separate document. X to the 3 halves is 27. You can guess and check, or to get rid of that 3 halves, you're going to raise both sides to the reciprocal of 3 halves, which is 2/3. Raise both sides to the 2/3 power. Those would cancel. You would have x equals. The 3rd root of 27 is 3. 3 to the 2nd is 9. All right. So this is just a true statement. There's no x, so just write this down. 6 to the negative 2nd is 1 over 36. True. That's my mistake. 6 to the negative 3rd equals x. It's 1 over 6 to the 3rd equals x. X is, I made a mistake. X is 1 over 216. Okay, 15 was like 4 and 5 on the last page. You can do it. Also like 16. Log, which base 10 of blank equals log base 10 of blank. Again, the implied base is 10, so you set those to x squared minus 7 equals x plus 5. Move everything over to the left side. Factor it out. X minus 4, x plus 3 equals 0. It means x could be 4 or negative 3. Plug those in wherever you want. I plugged them in right here. You get log of 2, which is fine. You get log of 9, which is fine. Both are winners. All right? Both do not give you an undefined statement. Take a look at 18. Again, some of these you have to do on your own. Log base 10 of blank equals log base 10 of blank. Set x squared minus 4 equal to negative x plus 2. Move this over. Time to solve by factoring. Get solutions of x equals -3, x equals 2. Plug them in. The opposite of -3 plus 2 is 5. You can have log of 5. If you plug in 2, though, you get log of 0. And if you don't believe me, try log of 0 in the calculator. I did. Domain error. All right? Can't have log of 0 or log of a negative. Anyway, let's go to 20. Log base 10 of 2x plus 5 equals log base 10 of 4x minus 3. Set them equal to each other. You get x equals 4. Plug it in wherever. You get log of 13, which is fine. Then 21, log base 10 of x squared minus 10 equals log base 10 of 3x. Set x squared minus 10 equal to 3x. Got to solve by factoring. Well, multiplies to 10 differs by 3. X minus 5x plus 2 equals 0. X equals 5, x equals -2. Plug it in, maybe right there. When I plug in -2, I get log of -6, undefined. When I plug in 5, I get log of 15. Great answer. Good answer. An actual answer. Not a domain error. X equals 5 is my one true solution. Log base 10 of that equals log base 10 of this. Set x plus 2 equal to 6x minus 3. X is 1. Plug it in wherever you want. You get log of 3, which is valid. And, there's Yogi. He hears anything outside, he loses his mind. 7 to the -2 equals x. That's 1 over 7 squared. 1 over 7 squared is 1 over 49, and that is what x is. And, honestly, folks, since the last little bits, I'll talk about 7.5 probably in another video. A 7-minute video I think is pretty good. Have all those down. I'll give you this video soon enough. Folks, this is Yak Math Videos signing out.